Hey everyone, welcome to our video on the Kerala Financial Corporation Assistant exam. Let's start with the questions.
Congratulations! You are just one step away from winning a surprise gift from us. We've posted a few challenge questions in the comments section. Answer them all correctly, and from the winners, we'll pick 3 lucky people for some exciting prizes. Remember the rules. Number 1, you should be a subscriber. Number 2, you should have liked this video. Once you know the right answers, just comment them down with the hashtag StepGiftChallenge. And hey, if you don't know the answers, don't worry. Just check out the other videos in this series. The link is in the comments or description. So what are you waiting for? Go check the comments now, and let's see if you can be one of our lucky winners.
An audit program helps the auditor to save audit fees, ensure systematic work, avoid detection of fraud, reduce internal check. Answer is ensure systematic work. Audit files are classified as internal and external, permanent and current, financial and non-financial, manual and automated. Answer is permanent and current. Internal control means checking of accounts by auditor, system to ensure efficiency and safeguard assets, watching of transactions, writing audit report. Answer is system to ensure efficiency and safeguard assets. The total set of all product lines a company offers is called product item, product line, product mix, product assortment. Answer is product mix. The main objective of internal check is to increase case profit, to prevent and detect errors and frauds, to verify assets, to help shareholders. Answer is to prevent and detect errors and frauds. Internal check is a part of audit report, internal control, audit notebook, audit program. Answer is internal control. Audit working papers are the property of client, auditor, government, shareholders. Answer is auditor. Assertion A. Advertising is a paid, non-personal communication. Reason are word of mouth publicity is also advertising. A true or false, a false or true, both true, or explains A, both true, or doesn't explain A. Answer is a true or false. A product line consists of a single product only, closely related product items, unrelated items sold by a firm, all products A offers. Answer is closely related product items. Verification of liabilities ensures overstatement of assets, understatement of liabilities, correctness and completeness of liabilities audit program accuracy. Answer is correctness and completeness of liabilities. Assertion A. Customer satisfaction leads to loyalty. Reason are loyal customers are less price sensitive and provide repeat purchases. A and R both true or explains A and R both true or doesn't explain A true or false true. Answer is A and are both true or explains A. Removal of a company auditor before expiry of his term requires approval of directors, shareholders in general meeting and approval of central government, register of companies, audit committee. Answer is shareholders in general meeting and approval of central government. Assertion A, need recognition is the first stage in the buying process. Reason are, a consumer cannot search for information unless a need is filled. A and or both true explains A and are both true, or doesn't explain A true or false, a false, true. Answer is A and are both true or explains A. Which of the following is not a use of audit note? Serves as evidence in court, records routine queries, used to write audit report, helps in future audits. Answer is used to write audit report. Test checking is generally applied in small business audits, continuous audit, large scale audits where volume of transactions is high, government audits only. Answer is large scale audits where volume of transactions is high. The act of examining documentary evidence supporting entries in the books is called verification, valuation, vouching, internal control. Answer is vouching. Verification of assets means examining vouchers, checking physical existence and ownership of assets, checking calculation errors, reviewing audit program. Answer is checking physical existence and ownership of assets. An audit program is prepared by client, management, auditor, accountant. Answer is auditor. Marketing of services differs from product marketing mainly because services are tangible and perishable, intangible and perishable, tangible and storable, durable and intangible. Answer is intangible and perishable. Market segmentation helps a firm by constancy in cost of production, ignoring customer needs, targeting customers effectively, constant overheads. Answer is targeting customers effectively. The auditor of a joint stock company is appointed by
directors, government, shareholders in general meeting, registrar of companies.
Answer is shareholders in general meeting. The main objective of investigation is to detect frauds and errors, to ascertain financial position for a specific purpose, to check cash flow, to examine internal control. Answer is to ascertain financial position for a specific purpose. Investigation is usually carried out annually, quarterly, when needed for a specific purpose, every month. Answer is when needed for a specific purpose. The main objective of auditing is detection of fraud only, expression of opinion on financial statements, to investigate ownership of company, to prepare final accounts. Answer is expression of opinion on financial statements. In a good internal check system, work is divided
between auditor and accountant among employees in such a way that work of one is checked by another, between directors and managers, between shareholders.
Answer is among employees in such a way that work of one is checked by another. That's it for this video. Hope it was helpful. Please like, share and subscribe for more content. Good luck.